Hey everyone, this is Neeta. Welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how I created a secondary animation for snakes of Medusa. It is a very simple and easy technique. To start with, here is my hyper-realistic snake model. Looks real, right? Now, press Shift A and go to Armature and select a single bone. Place it at the root of your model. Now from side view, select bone and press tab to get into edit mode. Select the joint and press E to extrude throughout the body. Select that bone and right click, subdivide. Subdivide it as per your need. I am going to extrude one more bone here. For parenting these bones to the root bone, select first bone and then select that root. Press Ctrl P, keep offset. Now go to pose mode by pressing Ctrl tab. Select last bone, then second last. Press Ctrl Shift C. Select damp tract. Repeat the process for all bones. In the bone constraint tab, we are going to decrease influence to 0.5 for limited motion. Now all you have to do is skin that model to the armature. For that, select your model, then select an armature, press Ctrl P and select with automatic weights. Check the skinning in pose mode. As you can see, we have problems with joints. Go to Bone Properties, under Bendy Bones, increase segments to 5. You can give any shape to your model. And when you move the root bone, it is only going to give secondary animation without affecting the rest of the bone structure. In my case, I had to attach all the snakes on Medusa's head. For that, I took a single bone for Medusa. To parent one bone to another is little tricky. To do that, select that root bone, go to pose mode, add child off from bone constraint tab. Select the parent for the target. Then select the child. Press clear inverse, then set inverse. Select head and rest of the parts, then select main bone. Hit Ctrl P. Select bone. Skinning is not required at this time. I duplicated snakes and gave poses as required for Medusa's hairstyle. It was a tiring process, but I enjoyed it. I hope you liked my tutorial. See you next time. Bye.